It tastes smoky. I think when we Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosemary, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to be making some hot dogs. Now, not real hot dogs, don't get alarmed, not real hot dogs. It's gonna be actually carrot dogs. So I found this recipe online and I saw a few of those recipes, variations floating around on Pinterest. And the reason why I'm making these is because a couple weeks ago we went to a friend's barbecue, and at that barbecue, of course, there was a whole bunch of different kinds of meat, of course, and I expect that anyway, but I didn't really have anything for me of substance other than like a vegetable. And of course, the carrot dog is a vegetable, but this one tastes more smoky, like a hot dog somewhat. So I wanted to be included in that, you know, barbecue. So I decided I'm gonna make my own. So next time I go to a barbecue, I'm gonna bring these dogs with me. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it and show you all the ingredients that goes into it. So let's get cooking. So you'll need 4 carrots. Try to find one a little bit bigger than a normal hot dog, so because you're going to peel it, okay, and then kind of shape it into a hot dog. So this is the size that I have, and just make sure you get 4. Just peel them like you would normally peel one. All right, and then we're going to just kind of like cut right here, because see how that one is shaped almost the size of a hot dog. And you can make them as big as small as you like. I just like to shave it a little down a little more, get it even. Something like that, okay, like that, and then kind of like shave off the ends a little to shape it like round, like a hot dog end. Now you don't have to do this. I just like it because of the aesthetics, you know, to look more like a hot dog, or at least shaped like a hot dog. Let's get this side a little shaped more. This is just me being extra because I want to make sure it looks close enough. Okay, so about that size, see? And that's about the size of a hot dog bun as well, all right? So do all 4 like this, and then I'll show you how to make the marinade, okay? First thing you'll need is 1/4 cup of soy sauce, or you can use tamari, which is wheat-free. 1/4 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of oil of your choice. I use grapeseed oil. 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk that all together. Okay friends, so what I did was I took the marinade and poured it in a bag and soaked the carrots overnight, okay? So these were soaking overnight because I want to be ready for you guys. And I like to flip them over to make sure all sides get saturated. So here, see, I put them in a pan, a little pan. And then once you have them in the pan, kind of fold it over and get them nice and saturated, okay? So that way it soaks up all that delicious marinade, okay? So what we're gonna do is put this inside a pot, pour it all in a pot, add a little bit more water, and let the carrots boil some to get fork tender, and then we'll take them out and saute them in a pan, or you can grill them if you have a grill outside. So we're gonna add a little bit more water to that marinade just to cover it slightly. And turn it on medium high to get it boiled. And let them boil until they get fork tender. And then we'll check on them. So I let the hot dogs cook down and reduce really well, and they got fork tender. So look at that glaze. It's almost like a glaze that reduced. I had to add a little bit more water to it, like twice, because of my hot dogs being, or not hot dogs, my carrots being so big. But if you make your carrots to be a little streamlined, they'll cook faster. So that's what I did there. So now I have a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'm going to fry them up to give them a little bit of a snap on the outside. If you have a grill, this is the point where you just toss them on the grill and then get your buns ready, okay? So let's do that real fast. Now you don't have to actually fry up your carrots. I'm just being extra and it's giving a little more texture to it. But if you want, from this point on, you can just get your hot dog bun and just eat it, okay? So, and put your toppings in it. Okay, so let's go ahead and I got a little bit of oil in the pan. Make sure it's hot. Wow, they really look like hot dogs and they smell just like a hot dog. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. All right, so let's add our toppings. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mustard on both, because Jimmy likes mustard too. Yep. And I'll add some ketchup on his. I don't do ketchup, not really. I'll add a little bit of ketchup. And some onions on mine, and he doesn't do onions, so do a little bit of onions on mine. It looks so good. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, we're about to give it a taste. All right, so I made 2 hot dogs and I brought Jimmy, my husband, along to try out and see what he thinks. Not hot dogs, guys, carrot dogs, you know, so used to saying hot dogs. So yours is on the right, because I know you like mustard and ketchup. I don't do ketchup much, but in mine is a mustard and onions on mine. That's all I had in the fridge, guys. So anyway, so let's give it a try. Okay. See what you think. What do you think? Yeah, it tastes good.
I don't like carrots, but I can't tell. I can tell when I look at it inside, kind of not even really.
Right, the inside looks more, it looks more orange, but
I can't tell it's a carrot.
Right.
I really don't like the flavor of carrots, but
this is good though, huh? It's weird that it's not a carrot though. It feels like it's kind of trippy because I don't know, and I usually don't eat white bread. I always eat, but this is traditional, you know, like white bread. I usually have me a grain bread or whatever like that, but it tastes smoky. I think when we
it's funny. It tastes like
it tastes like a meat, huh?
Yeah. It tastes like a hot dog, kind of. Doesn't taste like a carrot at all.
Not at all. This is really cool. So yeah, I'm soaking it overnight and then like boiling it until it reduces. Those reduction of that marinade really soaks in the carrot. So it it tastes like a carrot. I mean, it tastes like actually meat. So would you eat this again?
Well, I'm gonna have to. There's like 2 more.
Facts. Right, that's what the household that we live in.
It's healthier than what I would normally eat anyway, as far as if I wasn't eating. It's like a carrot. It's like, I mean, it's, so I need it for my eyesight anyway.
Good comeback. Anyway, I would definitely do this recipe again. The carrot dog, it tastes like, this is the perfect replacement for a hot dog, and it'd be great if you had it on the grill, even more smokier, huh? Because you know the charcoal on it. But doing it this way is really good, guys. So definitely give this one a try. And if you like videos like this that kind of surprise you when you eat them, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that
for your channel. Subscribe to my channel.
Surprise me and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll get updates every time I upload a new video. So with that being said,
we're out. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Like and subscribe like she said. Thank you.
All right, guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. This is bomb.